Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here for Altenew, and today I am excited because I am going to be showing you how to make a card using the latest release, the August stamps, dies, and stencil release that we have coming up. I am going to be showing you how to make this tart looking boy here. We have some stenciling, we have some die cutting, we have a really easy card here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And so sit back, relax, enjoy the video, make sure that you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, you click that bell so that you know a new video is going to be out, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to make this card, we are going to be using some various colors of ink here from Altenew. We're also going to be using the Altenew Mega Party Greetings and the die set. We will be using the Lemon Craze stencil set, along with some various cardstocks here. We got some green and black and white, and we'll also be using the Altenew stamp wheel. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and place a piece of paper down onto the stamp wheel. I believe I have this cut to be 5.5 by 5.5 so that the stencil will lock down onto the stamp wheel. So I'm going to carefully place that onto the stamp wheel, rub it down a little bit just to make sure it sticks. And the first thing we're going to be using is fresh lemon. How appropriate. So we are going to go ahead and get that stenciled onto every part of the lemon here. And then once we finish that, we have a completed section of lemons here. Just going to make sure everything's nice and even still. And then we will go ahead and remove this stencil. It's lovely. But before we do that, we are actually going to use the color Bamboo here. And we're going to add a little green to these lemons because, you know, not every lemon is solid yellow. They are green. I used to live in Florida, so I have seen very green lemons or a mix of lemon and limes on the trees. So I thought I would just add a little bit of green to add a little touch here. We're going to go ahead and remove this stencil. And wow, that looks really nice. Really good blending there. Now we're going to go ahead and place the leaves onto the lemons here, and we are going to be using, I cannot read that color right now, so I am so sorry. So we're going to take the green and we're going to place that all over the leaves here until we get all of those covered up. And we'll just dab, 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 and then we'll go ahead and get that all blended. And then we're going to be using moss and just making a little bit of darker green towards the middle of the leaves. This just gives the leaves a little bit of dimension, shows some various colors in it, and it just looks really pretty when you do it. So I'm going to take this stencil off. Wow, look at there. That's really nice. And now we are going to do some details onto the lemons. And this is the last stencil. We are going to be using, it looks like honey, can't read the name. I'm sorry about that. Y'all, I'm old. I can't do it. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get the darker pieces on here, and then we're going to use Bamboo, and we're just going to color in some green dots here. We're just going to get these colored in to show a little bit of, you know, a touch of fancy onto the cardstock. And there we go. We have that complete. It's nice. It's lovely. You want to take this stamp out of the stamp wheel and just bend it backwards so that it doesn't bend your cardstock. We don't want it to warp too bad. There we go. And now I've cut that down to 4 by 5.25. And then we are going to place that onto a piece of cardstock that is cut to 5.5 by 4.25, so that we can give this this card a mat. We'll get that placed down. We'll use some liquid glue so that we can make sure all sides are even. And we have that done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be using this party die, and we are going to be cutting this out of some green cardstock out of the die cutting machine. I'm just going to cut a little piece here so that we can get that out. We'll run it through the die cutting machine as we always do. And now I'm going to cut it out in black because I want to have kind of like this shadowy situation going on. So we'll cut it out in black. And then we're going to cut it out in white, I believe 3 times, because we're going to add some dimension to this. We're going to take the liquid glue and just place that onto the bottom piece here. And then we're just going to take the white piece and place it on top. Nothing hard, super fancy. It's like doing a puzzle. Super easy. Now what I want to do is place this shadow onto the green. So I'm placing the glue all along the sides of where I want it to stick with the green, so that it's just offset just a bit. Not too much, just enough to show that there's a little shadow. We use liquid glue so that we can make sure that we get that right in place. And then we're going to glue that onto the white. And this gives it a bit of dimension for the card. Now that we have that done, we are going to go ahead and cut the sentiment, or stamp the sentiment out first. We will be getting some embossing ink here. Sorry, you guys, the video is going a little slower than I'm thinking. And then we'll go ahead and stamp that out. It says "to the life of thee," and then we're going to put it on the party. So we're going to go ahead and get this card finished. We're going to do some heat embossing and then some foam tape situation, and then we're done. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. There is a giveaway, so make sure you leave some comments down in the description. All the links to the products are down in the description also. Make sure you check out everyone else along the video hop, and also make sure you head over to the video or over to the website so you can check out the whole release. You guys, it's super nice. It's big. It's got a lot of different things. I was able to play with plenty of different things. You're going to see it on my Instagram pretty soon. You can find me over on Instagram by searching for Bromero Cards. And also you can, click that bell here so that you know a new video is out on YouTube. And then make sure you head over to the Altenew YouTube so that you can see all the rules and regulations for the giveaway. So here we are. We're going to glue the bottom here, and then we're going to be completely done. Let's get that. There we go. And wow, it's done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys have a great week, a great day. Have fun along the video blog hop. And yeah, we will talk with you soon. Bye.